So this is actually after second distillation, 55% ABV. This is something that they won't sell because इसको dilute करके 40% ABV बेचेंगे. But this is at 50% ABV, 55% ABV. Let's taste this. Oh, it's bursting with flavors. This is Artenom Selection 1579. This is one of their co-owned brands. What's interesting is कि जब tequila बन गई तो उसके अंदर air bubbles डालते हैं, तो उसको aerate करते हैं tequila को before bottling. So this actually mellows tequila down and hence very smooth. It has that agave bursting flavors without that burn because it has been oxygenated. The difference between G4 and Volant, so of course everything else is same, is the usage of water. It is a blend of 2 different waters. It is a blend of 3 different waters. Like they have 3 different waters. They have spring water, they have rain water, and they have well water. And so this is blend of 3 waters. This is a blend of 2 waters. So different water also gives you different taste, of course, because this is 60% water. Let's taste this. It's more vegetal because of the well water. This has more minerality. This is the purest way of making tequila. जैसे मैंने आपको process दिखाया था ये wooden fermentation tank, because all these use wooden fermentation tank but a certain blend of it. But this is 100% wooden fermentation. This is G4 Blanco Premium Edition. $7. इंडिया में कितनी महंगी मिल रही है यार, ये प्राइस मिलनी चाहिए इंडिया में. There's a different taste to it. Has that wooden earthy oakiness to it.
And this is not oak, it's 100% pine wood.
Pine wood, yeah. So it's the pine flavor. Yeah.
Exactly.
And now we are tasting G4 Classico. If you can see, ये जो label है, ये label old style label है. This is a new style label, as you can see. This is a new style label, and this is an old style label. उसका logic है कि 14 साल पहले, 14 years ago, जो barrel use हुआ था, उसमें उसको age किया है. So a lot of history, storytelling, passion. This is G4 Reposado Classico, hence the classic label. It has a different flavor, yes, of course. It has fruity notes in the end. Has acidity to it, has the citrus notes, and has fruity notes to it. The agave sweetness is shining here.